Right guys, I've given up on trying to get my bike running myself. I spoke to a company in Buckingham. He's going to take it in for me. He's going to tune these carbs and hopefully he can get my bike running. Because all it really needs now is to be running properly and then an MOT. But I know inside my fuel tank is rusty. So I've drained the tank. I've got it on the floor here and I've bought 10 litres of Evaporust. Apparently it's got really good reviews. But I'm going to fill it up with 10 litres. I'm going to give it a couple of days, just moving it around a little bit. And then let's hope that there's no rust left in there. I just want to try and remove any issues that Dave might have, or Dave More Racing might have, trying to get this bike running right. I'm not 100% sure, and I have spoke to him about it. It might be something to do with the custom exhaust I've built, but I've said to him he can take the back box off, and then that's where it's just a straight through, and I don't know whether that's going to help him or hinder him. But if we need to change the exhaust, then we need to change the exhaust. But let's just throw some Evaporust in here, and then we can see how it is in a couple of days. Let me turn you around. There you go, that's what I bought. Let's just see what happens.
I keep dreaming, but my dreams keep flying away. A song we're far beyond. Keep chasing them and I never rest for a day. There's something I don't do. I feel the wind blowing my face, but that's alright. I smile at people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low-key.
That's 10 litres in there. Hopefully that's full enough. We will see. She's almost to the brim. You see a little bit shiny there. Let's see what a couple of days of that in there. So thankfully this stuff is reusable, so I can get it back out afterwards and put it back into my bottles, and then that's used many more times in the future, I'm sure. So I'll pick you back up in a couple of days once that has had some time to eat away at the rust and hopefully sort that fuel tank out, and I'll let you know. Cheers. Well, I know for you guys it's only been a couple of seconds, but for me it's been, I've left it like 3 days or something. So let's drain this tank. Let's have a look how bad this stuff came out, and hopefully I've got a nice clean tank. I'm just going to put you on time lapse, drain this tank, and I'll pick you back up to see how it looks after that. Right, let's do it.
I've been low-key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go.
So I'm going to take her back to the workshop, but I don't know what you can see in there, to be fair. She has definitely got some black stuff in there that's left over, but there doesn't seem to be any rust in there. I'm hoping that after a few swishes of water and the airline on that, and that's done good, I think. It's not brown and rusty in anymore, and there's a lot of silver in there compared to before. So we've got that tank all done. The day that it's going off is quickly coming by. So it's Sunday now, it goes on the Tuesday. I'd really love, I don't know how long he's going to have it, or when I'm going to get it back, but let's get you back on time. Let's get this bike thrown back together. So no further ado, let's go.
It's a fast forward. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. It's been a while since I ran into you on a street. I wonder if you moved. Hope everything is going amazing for you, and you're not feeling blue. I feel the rain pour down
Well, that's all pretty much back together. I've left the fuel lines off, as I'm pretty sure he's going to run it off of a separate fuel tank. So I've done up the bolts by hand, and nothing's done up really. Just makes it easier to move around. But let's see what happens. I think I need to finish those side panels, have them the way that they stay on. So I'm just thinking some little clips, and maybe one that's under the seat that will flick up. So let's make some clips and see what we can do.
I smile, people passing by. Some smile back, some might not. Well, I'm always looking for a shade when it's hot. I've been low key and I'm trying to stop. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a best boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a best boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. I slip to the right, bind it to the left. I slip to the right, bind it to the left. I slip to the right, bind it to the left. I slip to the right. God, I'm feeling good. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a best boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind. Yeah, but when off I go. Pretty afternoon, it's a best boy. Looking at the skyline, looking back at my life, and I gotta say it's one of a kind.
So we've brought the bike down to Dave Wood Racing. Hopefully this guy can sort out the running issues. You know, I've had a little chat with him. He's got a dyno. I don't know whether he's going to stick it on there or not, but at least he knows what he's doing. He's got the right equipment. He's going to do some filming for me, hopefully, even if it's just a little bit to explain what he's done, but we'll go from there. So let's send it and let's go. She's back from Dave Wood Racing. Finally got it running. So here's a little dyno video of it running properly. Finally, he's done an awful lot to this little bike. I have no idea, and he doesn't really know
what the issue was. He's ended up drilling out the needle jet liner. He's replaced the needle with a thinner needle. They've had to make their own little jets. It's been an ordeal for everyone involved, I think, but it's done. So now we've got to finish putting everything back together and let's go for an MOT.
Now we've got the bike back from Dave Wood Racing. Nothing's actually put back 100% because he ran a remote fuel tank while he had it on the dyno. So really, I need to get these fuel lines back on. I've completely finished the side panels so they can go back on. So we just need to get everything back together for the final time, hopefully. Give it a little once over, make sure everything's bolted up nice and tight. We'll check the chain to make sure that's the right tightness. And let's get this bike ready for the MOT. Let's go.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever about you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your body got disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cigarette, and when all the smoke is clear, I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, the weight of you. Don't need a no man. Don't need a no man. Back and I'm better. You had to go back where you came from, now you're bitter. Out of sight, out of mind for real. Yeah, I wouldn't wanna be you for real. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it. I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. No man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, do you? The weight of you, of my shoulders. Like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Being hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Been in hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Tell me how you're feeling since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow